Today on Mom to Mom, we have a fun red, white, and blue themed 4th of July dessert. If you have a holiday party coming up the 4th of July and you're needing to bring a dish, I love this fun holiday themed 4th of July dessert, especially because it's super easy and you probably already have the ingredients in your house. So what you're gonna need for this are some strawberries, toothpick, some sugar sprinkles, make sure that they're blue, and of course, marshmallow fluff. Or you could also use white chocolate as well. I like to be super easy because it's hard to melt chocolate and the marshmallow tastes extra yummy. So let's start making this. So what you want to do first is you want to take your toothpick and put it in the top of the strawberry. Now once you have it in the strawberry, you're going to dip your strawberry into the marshmallow fluff. I like to take a knife and kind of spread it around the top because it looks a lot smoother that way. Once you have your marshmallow on top of that, then you're going to take your blue sprinkles and sprinkle it on the bottom, making a blue, white, and red theme for your 4th of July party. The best part about this is they're super healthy as well, minus the sugar sprinkles, but it's still delicious. And everybody's gonna love the way it looks at your party. Moms, if you have any great ideas, we'd love to hear about it. You can share it with us on our Facebook page and we'll see you on the next Mom to Mom.